A man who cannot be angry even while sleeping. Churchill boldly snoozing during the meeting. During World War II. In the conference room in the UK that the world is paying attention to, Captain Churchill. In deep sleep. Hey, you're not awake, right? Huh? But I can keep an eye on it. That person. And the snoring is too bold. Actually, Churchill. Napping boldly during meetings is his daily routine. The strongest nation's nap room that no one can stop. Naps are also part of the strategy. Strategy. Diplomacy. No, first, a quick nap.